So anyone who is thinking about creating some kind of course or education program next year, the next 12 months, excellent. Guys, one of the best ways to begin is by delivering a live version of it. So when I first created, for instance, Concept a Course, which is my group coaching program, gosh, many years ago now, I first delivered it just as live workshops over a 4-week period because I wasn't sure how people would want to receive this in an online format. I'd only ever been delivering it in person before that. And I just thought, I'm not sure how this is going to go, the right approach. I'm not sure what questions people are going to ask, what they're going to be most interested in working on. So to start off with a brand new course with all the professional filming and editing and everything that goes with it for a course that you might fundamentally change after the first time you run it, actually can be a little bit of a high risk approach to business. We always want to create the minimum viable product first to give it its first round and its first test. Then we can go and create more permanent versions of that. So for instance, to go with Rinda's example here, I would definitely recommend if you're running some kind of course, deliver it live. So for me, I had a 4-week course and I just did one live group online Zoom call a week for those 4 weeks. So I only had to deliver 4 trainings live, way less pressure. The recording button was on. And after each session was delivered, it just got uploaded into the portal so that people could go and watch that recording. And for the next 12 months, I sold just the recording. I was like, here's the recording, here's the 4-week course. Meanwhile, I had learned a lot in that 4-week live delivery of what people really wanted. And I was then working on filming a more permanent version behind the scenes afterwards, because now I'd done that test run and knew what people really wanted. So that is a much better approach to doing that. Yeah, live works well for you. It just takes a lot more pressure off of you guys. It really does. It's a lot easier to rock up and deliver a 90-minute session than it is to sit down and think, oh, I'm going to professionally film this whole 20-module course. People actually do want to come and ask questions. So it's a much better experience for the learners as well.